Oftentimes, when we fail, we blame it on ourselves. We wonder why we're so pathetic, so weak, so incapable of getting things done, and over time, we start to think that maybe we're destined to fail for the rest of our lives. If you can relate to this in any way, then pay close attention. What you currently have is a belief that it's your fault for failing, and what's dangerous about this belief is that it often sends us into depressive downward spirals where we feel like something is wrong with us deep down inside. Like maybe we're broken, maybe we're destined to be a loser for the rest of our lives, all of which cause us to turn to our bad habits more as a way to cope, which causes us to fail even more. If you want to break out of this loop and start seeing progress in your life, then you must replace this current belief that you have with a more constructive one that will empower you and help you succeed even when you mess up. And that's what I want to do today. I want to show you what this belief should be. Now, over the years, I've worked with hundreds of people one-on-one, and over time, I started to see a common trend. People that fail constantly tend to act in the same predictable manner. They almost always fail, then they mope around in self-pity for a couple of days, and then they try again, hoping that something is magically different this time around. They hope that maybe, just maybe, the motivation that they get from watching a 10-minute YouTube video filled with scenes from various boxing movies layered over epic music allows them to stay true to their word this time around. When they fail yet again, it's to no surprise because of one simple thing. They didn't think about their strategy. You see, it's usually not a question of whether or not you are mentally strong enough. It's usually a question of whether or not you're